Ever wondered why some resumes seem to catch the employer's eye while others are lost in the pile? Well, it's not luck. It's all about how you craft your resume. Welcome back to AI Creator, where we help you navigate your career path with ease. Understanding the importance of a well-crafted resume is the first step. This document isn't just a list of jobs and education, it's your personal marketing tool, your golden ticket to that high-paying job you've been eyeing. Start by tailoring your resume to the job you're applying for. It shows employers that you've done your homework and that your skills and experiences align with what they're looking for. But don't just list your responsibilities. Highlight your key achievements. Instead of saying you managed a team, say you led a team that increased sales by 20%. It's all about showing the impact you made. And while we're on the topic of impact, use action words. Don't just say, you were responsible for a project. Say you spearheaded a project. These words pack a punch and show you're a person of action. Next, carve out a section for your skills. This is where you can really shine, showcase your technical and soft skills. But remember to keep them relevant to the job you're applying for. When it comes to your education and certifications, less is more. Only include what's relevant to the job and highlight any honors or relevant coursework. This shows employers that your education is more than just a degree, it's an asset. Now let's bring all these tips together with an example. Imagine a resume for a marketing manager position. This candidate doesn't just say they're experienced in marketing, they show how they increased social media engagement by 50% and led a successful product launch. They also highlight their skills in SEO, content marketing, and project management. So to wrap up, crafting a killer resume for high-paying jobs is all about tailoring your document, highlighting your achievements, using action words, and showcasing your skills. Remember, your resume is your first impression. Make sure it's a good one. Good. That's all for today's video. If you found these tips helpful, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to AI Creator for more career advice. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for tuning in, and see you in the next video.